Renaissance men and women. Today we are out in the middle of nowhere. Take a look around. We're just out playing in the mud. Take a look at the Jeep. We are full of mud. Someone just had to tow us out. Nice FJ Cruiser. Today we got the Rugged Ridge Headlight Guards. Rugged Ridge Elite. These are good for JL Wranglers and JTs, Jeep trucks. We're gonna put these on the Gladiator today. Show you step by step how to do it. We've got our trusty Stanley kit here, like always. Lifetime warranty. Love the lifetime warranty. We're gonna pop these locks. You might have seen it in a previous video. We put these locking Jeep lock hood locks on. They've been holding up great. We got baby Thumb over there tending to the charcoal barbecue. We're gonna cook up some steaks in a minute. That mud roll. So we're gonna pop all these fasteners off. This is a tool I picked up. This is for popping off your plastic fasteners or little buttons, whatever you want to call them. This one's made of steel. It's for this one with the elbow is for popping off your door panels, but so it has multiple uses. This one you can buy other ones on Amazon that are made of plastic. They're probably even safer, the plastic ones, than the metal, but this is all that I could find, so this is what I got. We're gonna start now popping all these fasteners off. Just pop them in there. Pop these buttons off. Don't drop them down in there like I just did. I'll have to dig that out later. Keep all these in your pocket. Last one here. Try not to drop this one like the other side. Much better than a flathead. I tried doing this with a flathead a couple times and just damaged them all up. Okay, now we're gonna just pop this bumper right off here. Just give her a little jerk. Pop out on the bottom. There it is. Okay, so let's open up our box here. Rugged Ridge Elite Headlight Guards. Comes with instruction, who needs them. Let's get a close look at these. These are nice. Put it up there. It's got the Rugged Ridge label on it. These Rugged Ridge Light Guards. They're sturdy cast aluminum construction built. They got a sleek satin black powder coat finish. They're compatible with OE and most aftermarket headlights. There's no drilling required, and they have a 5-year limited warranty. They're pretty good. Like, they feel solid. They're nice construction, and they're just gonna mount on like that. Okay, we got our ratchet here. This is going to be a 10 mil small ratchet with extension. Easy tools. Everybody's got this. Yeah, so it's that easy. You just pop those screws out. It's gonna fit on just like so, right over top of everything. Just gonna clean these babies up. How's that look? People always are giving me shit because of these new lights. I'm always getting high beamed by people on the highway, and I'm not even high beaming them. It's just my normal lights on. I'm always getting high beamed, and I actually got to put the high beams on and high beam them back. Okay, we're gonna pop this light guard on. Get our screws. Looks good. Get in there. Take a look. You still got the little Jeep symbol in there. These are the screws that it comes with. They're the exact same. Actually, the OME screws are a bit longer, so I'm not going to use these just because like these already have Loctite and stuff on them. I'm just going to, and the washers. Love the washers. So I'm just going to use those, use the factory screws. Okay, here we go. We're going to put this baby on. Get your Rugged Ridge symbol pointing up, obviously. Place it on. Okay, we're just going to go in with our screws here. Get the Loctite on them, which is good. All right, on to the other side. I forgot to wipe it, so I'm going to spray it again. Bam, bam. Window cleaner. Paper towel. We do our mods out in nature, so we're gonna clean as we go. We're not sitting in some fancy garage doing this stuff. We're out in the elements, out having a good time, mudding, getting dirty. That's how we do Renaissance way. Those clouds. Beautiful night out here. Doing another mod. Get some shrimp on the Barbie. Eat those after this. Drink a few more Old Millies and call it a night. Okay, we got her all shined up already. Got our screws out. Rugged Ridge on the top. I really love this. I like these. Nice, easy install. Okay, those are in. Now we're gonna pop our grill back on. Grab her like so. We never did find that other fastener, so looks like we'll be heading back on Amazon and find some more. Just push your bottom in, pops right in. Come in here close, show you how to put these little fasteners back on. Just put the first piece in, push them all in. This one's still attached. You can go right ahead and push her down. It's good. One more here, there's 6 of these by the way. All right, that's another Jeep mod from RenaissanceMan. We're gonna leave the link for these Rugged Ridge light guards in the description. Get a real close up there. I think they're sharp as hell. Okay, we're gonna close up our hood. Still got mud rolling down. How do you guys think they look, the Rugged Ridge light guards? How do they look, folks? Let me know in the comments what you think of them. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this brand and this channel, and it's up to you guys to like and subscribe to continue this channel from growing. So, peace for now. We're gonna eat some shrimp on the Barbie and enjoy the rest of this night. Cheers. Oi, Thelma. How was the Jeep mod? Thanks for helping. Such a good little help, aren't you? Soon she's gonna be doing mods herself, helping Dada.
she is. Little key.